There we go. Hey guys, what's up? MiataMods here, and today I'm going to help my buddy Luke.
Hi.
With installing a switch, that one, for his antenna, so when the antenna is not needed, he can put the antenna down. So, let's get the car inside.
Ryan Little.
So we tried a couple locations for the switch and we decided to place the switch inside the center console right here. So the switch is not visible when the console lid is closed. Now that we know where we want to place the switch, we need to connect the switch to the wire that controls the antenna motor. In the Miata it's a white-blue wire that you can find behind the head unit, and it may be different for your car. Check your car's wiring diagram or the manual for your head unit to find out which is the correct wire.
In our case it's the blue-white wire.
Exactly. To connect the switch to the wire we need to reach the wire first. It's behind the head unit, so we're going to remove the entire console, starting with the center console. You start by twisting off the gear knob. And then you remove this little box. After that you need to remove 2 screws in the front, 1 in the middle, down here, and 2 in the back. To keep track of all the screws I use this ice cube tray. Very handy. Don't forget to remove the clip inside here that holds the wiring in place. After you remove the screws and the clip, you can pull the center console slightly up and forward, so it will clear the levers in the back.
Don't forget the window switches.
To access the radio, we need to remove this part of the console as well. Start by removing these 2 screws at the bottom. After that you can gently pull the bottom part towards you. Now we need to remove the clips on the bottom. Like that.
Okay, normally you need these to get it loose. Only mine is not locked, so I can just pull it out.
Like that. Nice.
Okay, remove the cable, remove the antenna, and remove the mic for hands-free calling.
And we're done. These are all the wires from the head unit. Now we need to look for the wire that controls the antenna motor, and that is this one. And I'm going to cut right here and extend both ends so we can run the wire to the switch. To extend the wire, I'm going to use this piece of wire and solder the wires together. I have a video on how to solder wires and connectors, so click here if you're interested. Now that the wires are extended, I'm going to route them from here down to the bottom here. Now we can put this part of the console back together. Reinstallation is the same as removal. To connect the wires to the switch, I'm going to use these clips that slide over the connectors of the switch, like this. See? We're going to mount the switch right there, like so. So we put some tape here, and this is the middle of this piece. So we're going to drill a hole here and then put the switch in from the back. There we go. And this is the final result. Alright, now we're going to reinstall the console, and reinstallation is the same as removal. Alright, everything is back together, and with the console lid closed, everything looks like stock. Now let's turn on the head unit, Luke. There we go. Head unit turns on, and as you can see, the antenna stays down. And now for the big moment, Luke. There we go. It works. Awesome.
All the way up. And all
the way down. Happy with the end result, Luke?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. Bye! If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. The tools and parts you'll need for this job are in the video description, as well as my social media links. If you haven't subscribed already, click on the MiataMods logo below and don't forget to turn on notifications. For more MiataMods videos, click here. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!